Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download Telegram group videos. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So what I'm gonna do is just go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now what you need to do is just go to the group. So there's the video, so I have to download it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press on this three dot on the video, and over here I'm gonna be having option either to save to gallery or save to downloads. You can choose either one of them, and then you'll be downloading the group videos like that. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.